everyone, got another lock for you here. This is a kind of a Schlage, another one from the trade I got with Jeff Moss. Jeff, I really appreciate the fact that you're willing to trade with me. It's real awesome. The key works, except for it doesn't want to always turn backwards. But other than that, the key does work, and it's got two keys, and actually the second key will turn backwards. Maybe the cut on the first key wasn't quite right. But in any event, we're here to pick locks. We don't need no stinking keys. All right, let's go with top of the keyway tension, and that wrench is a little bit loose in there. That wrench is probably too tight. There we go. Yeah, nice fit there. Okay, so as standard with these generic Schlages, I like to give them a heavy tension. Start from the back. Okay, I got a binder in 3. 2 is binding. Okay, got a nice click out of 2. Got a heavy click out of 2. May have overset them in the process. Got a click out of 4. Really making me think I overset it. Okay, I think I really overset one there. Alright, so back to heavy tension. Let's go from the front. 1 was loose, 2 was binding a little bit, 3 was binding, 4 was binding a little bit, 5 was binding, that was pin 2. There's pin 3. I'm on pin 5 now. And I really believe I'm oversetting pretty badly here, so I'm just really looking at the feeling the feedback since I did that. So release tension. I'm going to go back to about a medium tension now. Okay, nice click out of 3, little click out of 4. And I just overset 5. I'm really good at oversetting pins. Let's go back to the front and check. 1's loose. 2 is binding now. Okay. I think I overset 2. Okay, click out of 2, click out of 3, click out of 4, click out of 5. It feels like I'm back to the overset city. Or maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm having to push these up higher than I thought. There we go. Yeah, I was actually having to push those up. So maybe I wasn't oversetting. I was just thinking that I was. Because everything wasn't going springy, so just didn't feel like I was. Well, maybe I was just pushing them up not far enough and just not realizing it, I suppose. Alright, I need my flathead screwdriver. You know, somebody should say something about not picking locks when you're tired. Especially on camera, because then that's when you get your words mixed up, you drop tools, can't figure out what you're doing. Just laying down a bed of excuses, as Bosnian Bill would say. Okay, now I expect all these are standard. I didn't feel any feedback that would tell me otherwise. So, that was 1 and 2. Pin 3, pin 4, and pin 5. Now I suspect that all the pins up top are standard as well. So like I said, I didn't feel any feedback. But you know, I like having locks that I can modify, turn into challenge locks. That's always part of the fun. And if you went like me and you went for so long without picking standard pins and you go back to them, you get to where you rely on that feedback. And it makes standard pins a lot harder to pick because they don't give you any feedback. It's kind of why I'm struggling on the Cabo Peaks that Pick Me sent me. I'm not getting any feedback on that thing whatsoever. Anyway, guys, there you see it. We've got all standard pins, and that was this Schlage from Jeff Moss. Jeff, I really appreciate it. Thanks for sending me the lock. I hope you're enjoying the locks that I sent. Everyone else, stay safe, don't do anything illegal, and please like and subscribe.